I've got a question for you. Can you create a successful YouTube channel that's pulling in at least a few $100s a month? Let me show you my channel. Like mine right here, 270 bucks. It's at least happy hour sushi every single day for free. I mean, I actually spent some time, but imagine just having an extra 300 bucks a month only from your phone. Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can create and run a successful YouTube channel just with your phone. Actually, this is the best year to do that. I had incredible growth in 2020. If I go on my analytics right here and go on views, the last 365 days, you can see like all my views came in 2020. I was getting like 200 views a day at the beginning of 2020, and now we're pulling in nearly 5K a day. So that's 25x within half a year. So within half a year, you can make a few $100 passively. Even if you stop, they can keep coming into your bank account. This is how you do it. All I want from you is to grab a few things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. Second, my free 0 to 10K followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Instagram can definitely help you grow on YouTube because you convert traffic. You grow on Instagram while you're growing on YouTube, and whenever you have a new video, you add it to your bio, add it to your stories, and so on. And also, if you want to grow on Instagram organically with hashtags, I have a paid service where I find the hashtags you need to use for your specific account, and this service is also in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe with bell notifications on if you are new. Okay, so there's basically two apps that you can use to do that. The first one is the YouTube app, the second one is the YouTube Studio app, or the YouTube Creator Studio app, prior known as that, until Facebook made the same app and they're always trying to copy stuff and then they just changed. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is make sure you have both apps. So we'll go on the App Store or Google Play Store for Android, go on search and type in YouTube, right? We wanna have the YouTube app, we wanna have this, and YouTube Studio. Here it is, YouTube Studio. You wanna have both of these apps. And I'll show you why you wanna have those. So let's go on the first app, the YouTube app. We'll click on this button, the camera button, and we can either upload a video, go live, or do a post. We'll click on a video, right? We click that, and I've just clicked on a video I did, and you can trim it real quick, click on next, and basically upload it, right? You have the description, title, and so on. You can also have the location for SEO purposes, especially if you're a local business. But there's some things you can't really do from it, like actually adding a custom thumbnail. I have a whole video on it. You can see it in the cards above, but that's why you need the YouTube Studio app. From it, you can actually go on any video. This is a video I just uploaded a few minutes ago, right? And if I just click the edit button here, I can edit and switch to another thumbnail by clicking this pencil sign. And also I can adjust the monetization, stuff like that that you can do on the YouTube app. So you need both worlds, both apps. Do it now. And you know what? I can shout you out to help you with your YouTube growth. All you gotta do is comment your YouTube channel name, username, I don't know, in the comments down below, and I'll shout you out on my Instagram stories to over 20K followers and also in one of the next YouTube videos. And the shout out winners on this episode are... Let's read them out loud. First we have Preety Kaur, who says, @Preety X Kaur, your videos is really helpful to me, thanks. Thank you as well. Then we have Ray Asta, who's first on my video. You're super fast. Literally 1 second after uploading, yeah, it was the how to do it on TikTok. And yeah, he's probably on the notification squad that you should be in. If you comment first and you say first, it's like a guarantee I'll shout you out in a video. Remember that a video day keeps Dr. Ray. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. See you in the next one. Bye.